Hi there, thanks for joining me, back in the garage again. Got a little video on today. What we've got here is some of the Kingbolen range. We've got the Ediag Elite, we've got the K8 Pro, and we've got the S6 Elite. Which one of these is right for you? If you're thinking of buying a scanner, they're all great scanners. How much do you need to spend? What's your use? Let's have a quick look, go into them a little bit, compare them and see if we can find one that's right for you. So starting at the bottom, we've got the Ediag Elite. This is a dongle type one. It uses your mobile phone with the app. So this is a bi-directional scanner. Good thing straight away out of the box, lifetime free updates. So you've not got to pay for updates. This will do all of your settings. It should do your oil resets, your service resets, DPF reset. We should be able to check ABS, SRS, airbags, air conditioning. It should do everything. Checking for faults. It'll check and read. We can work some actuators with it. The only thing that it won't do is ECU coding. It won't do any coding, but it will do all the reading and it should let us into all the ECUs and check stuff out. It's a really good bit of kit. I'm not a massive fan of it, purely because I like the standalone ones better. That's not saying it's not a good bit of kit, because it does do the job. It'll read all your systems, it'll give you faults, you can clear the faults and you can do some bi-directional functions with it. Brake light testing as well, so we can activate the brake lights, get all of those, and this is all off your phone. It's nuts, isn't it? High beam on the front, we can do side lights, fog lights, so you can check the fog light as well, make sure that's working all right. We can go around the front of the car. And if we check on here, we can open the driver's side window. Not as many as the other two. These two are a bit more powerful and will go deeper into the systems and do more stuff. You can't do ECU coding with this one. So this is ideal if you're a DIYer to have that in your locker. Just to plug in, if you've got a little fault code comes up or a few issues, service resets, brake resets, that'll do it all. And for the price, it's a great bit of kit. So I'd go for DIY, predominantly that's what that's for. If you're then doing a little bit more, you're servicing your mate's cars, you want to look at your car in depth in a bit more detail, then the S6 Elite will do most of that stuff. This will do 28 resets. In the maintenance, we've got DPF regeneration, throttle relearning, oil reset, so we can reset the service lights on the vehicle as well. So it's doing a few more bits and pieces. You can reset more things with it. Now we can either do a health report, system scan or system menu. So let's go for health report first. We'll just run through all the systems and just see if there's anything amiss. Okay, so it's coming back with starter motor terminal, historical fault, engine control module DME, DDE, abnormal, which is the brake vacuum sensor there on this one, instrument cluster. That's everything though, there's nothing much there, but it's searched 16 systems and it's found three issues. So that's going to cover most bases with your servicing and with your looking after your car. The diagnostic functions will go a little bit deeper into more systems. You can get some more graphs on there, some more graphics. Not a bad bit of kit at all. The only thing with this one is it is hardwired, so you have got to be quite close to the OBD socket where you plug it in. That's the only downside to that, is the OBD socket, the size of the screen, and it doesn't support as many things as what the K8 does. So this one is mainly for, if you're, like I say, if you're a DIYer, if you don't want to spend the earth, they're about 150 quid. It's a good robust bit of kit. It's got all the rubber around it so you can drop it and bash it about and it's not going to damage it. So yeah, if you're a DIYer, you're doing your mate's cars, mobile mechanic, not too far away from that, this is a good bit of kit. So that's predominantly what I'd market that one as. Then you've got the K8. Now this is a serious bit of kit. It's got the remote dongle on it, magnetics to the back of the, or magnetizer to the back of the unit. We can pull out our VCI dongle and plug that into there. Blue light comes on. it'll do a VIN scan on your car, and then it will bind it to the actual vehicle specific information. So it's OE level kind of diagnostics. As you can see, that's reading all the systems on the Nero. 2025 car, hybrid, plug-in hybrid car. It's reading it, no problem at all. See that? And again, we could put that into a graph. I move backwards and forwards. That information's coming nice and quick. There we go, graph with all 4. This will do ECU reprogramming, ECU coding, all of the service functions. We've got the maintenance resets. Oh yeah, everything on it. 42, that's a lot. You know, there's a lot on here. We've got ABS bleeding, AdBlue resets, lighting, EGR, DPF regeneration, injector coding. Yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff. We've got tyre resizing as well. If you've changed your wheels to alley wheels and using a different size of tyre, then you can reset the wheel size of the car so that the speedometer and everything works correctly. It'll do all your graphs, all your data, all your bi-directional controls. It's a really powerful bit of kit. It's a cracking kit. This is garage material, so top-end DIY, mobile mechanic and garage. This will do almost all of your stuff, all of your functions you need to do. It's got VAG guided software on there as well. So yeah, that is a really powerful bit of kit, and that's where that one's going to be. Like I say, if you are a pro, then you're going to need something along these lines. This is about £350. I hope that's helped you out. If you're looking at the Kingbolen range and thinking, do I need to spend a fortune? You don't. £79 might even be a bit cheaper. If I can find some links and some discount codes, I'll pop them in for you. They'll all be in the description below. That is a great bit of kit. It's a really well priced bit of kit. And like I say, all of these units are lifetime free updates. You're not going to have to pay anything to use them. They're all free updates. If this video's been of use, please drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.